back to another video. It's been a little bit of a break since the last one, but we're back at it. So time to do some harvesting. As you can see here, we got field 53 and 54, and then just corn here. And then we've got 72, 76, and 78 here to do soybeans. The rest of these were already harvested from our previous video. So let's go on the road to get down here and do a cornfield real quick and pick some of that off. So I'll be taking this down, and then I'm gonna come back here for the rest of everything. So I'm just gonna turn on the beacon and go down the road. Oh, there's a car coming, meaning I can actually pull off up here, sort of. It's more like stop. And no, we're not gonna go. You know what, I'm just gonna pull back up here into my field. I'm gonna look the other way. Don't see anybody. We're good to keep going for a little bit here. I'm probably gonna duck right in here. I'm gonna go through this way actually. Hopefully they don't mind me going, maybe taking off a couple branches on the tree here. There we go. I'm just gonna sneak through right there. Ooh, she's a little bumpy back there. Okay, I have to go perfectly smack dab in the middle here to make sure I don't hit the bridge on accident. Okay. Right here the field is. I'm just gonna pull right off. Get down to the other end. Okay. I'm gonna put this down here. Just like that. Need to go one over, or else we're gonna leave that one over. Just like that. And let me just boop, I'm in and back. Oh. Okay, here in the 8410. Let me use this to get down there first. This is gonna be the first one down there. And then I'll bring down the rest if necessary, but they're going to stay here for now. I'm actually going to put them down there in between those two. But for now, we're going to just take the scenic route. Throw the beacon on so that people know we're chugging. Turn signal on. You'll notice like the worst turn ever. Go to 360 it. And not too legal, probably, to be doing this in this type of equipment. Could hit someone. But you know. Okay, just dun dun. I'm gonna park it over here. Right here for now. Okay. Let's get harvesting here, some corn. We got a massive field. Let me get up in my row. Okay, there we go. Looks beautiful. Just keep on chugging. Oh, there we go. We're back up, and then I'm gonna go down there and then go down and back. Give myself just a little bit of a buffer here, so I have a little bit more room to turn around. There's this field here we can always buy too, but I think we're good on fields. Because we bought that field, they gave us a little bit more of a buffer originally. As long as, I don't have the tractor. I'm just gonna do a little cut, and there we go. Not too bad of scrapes, It'll buff out. There we go. Turn on cruise control and let's get rolling. I'm going to stop her real quick and go all the way down. I'm going to put another little bit of a bumper here. Just so a little bit more turning. I'm going to do a little slight outline, I guess, actually. We're missing a little bit of row there. We need to scooch over. So there we go. Okay. There you go, like that. Now I'm going to back up. And then wait, like that. And now I go sideways like this. Oh, missed one, but it's okay. We're at 50% there. Got a little distracted there. Missed a couple. I'll be back for those couple rows there. We're at 80%. We should be able to make hopefully one more pass down there. Can I gotta back up? Lower down the header and get moving. It's gonna be a close one here. I think we should be able to do her. Yeah, we got plenty of room. Hopefully. 90% now. Whew. Cracked my finger there. 92. 93. 94. We should be able to make it. We should be able to make it. Yeah, hopefully. It's gonna be close. I mean, I can always put some more in there than, you know, what should be put in there, but, you know, it's always an option. Won't hurt to throw some extra in there. We're going to pretend like it's not just disappearing. We got this field to do with corn, and then we'll be done with corn. Then we gotta do beans. Okay. Okay, what I'm gonna do is get someone else in the combine real quick to run it, while I go and get my truck and stuff. I should say go and get some stuff ready, because this is still on. Okay. Well, turned off by itself, but you know, that's at least good. So we're gonna pull these out there in the field down there, and then we'll get that set up to hooked up to some stuff. We need to get the header and stuff like that down there. I'm just gonna go right here, make my own little path. And as you can see, there's our tire tracks here. Must have ran through here with the combine. I think I did. So we've got, looks like beans here. Beans here, which are absolutely filthy. Just filthy. Just full of weeds everywhere. So I'm pulling this little field down here. Once we're done here, we're going to have to most likely create one massive field, which will be very fun. Not really, but you know. That's going to be a nightmare once this is all one big field. But then that's also a little bit more crop we can pull in to sell for money. Looks like we're doing good there. Okay, truck started up. How are we looking here? 115, 665. Okay. Just real quick. Look here. Water 582. And then base food 400. Okay. Well, 400, 4,000. Okay. Just gonna. There we go. I'm gonna also cut through the middle of this field here. This is most likely going to be one of my main places to cut through the field there. I'm going to park this down here just in case. You never know when someone's going to run out of fuel. Just attach that and go and get our, oh, don't hit anything. Gotta go get our header. Which is positioned that way. Oh, shoot. I hit the tongue of it. We're good. Beep, beep, beep. There we go. There we go. I'm just gonna pull out this way. It's still behind us. Yep. Holy crap. She's a little weedy out here. Cut through right here. And I'm gonna park it right here on the road. Like this. There we go. Oh shoot, ran into the beans a little bit. Should be good. I'm gonna park the truck up. I'm not gonna take the truck down there. Which means snaking your way right through here. There we go. And take the truck actually up to the house. And then we're gonna leave her just like that. Okay, let's hop back into our combine here. 64%. Some rows are done here. Some rows are done here. Not too many. So, we're gonna wait for this thing to be finished real quick. Which, I'll see you guys then. And we're back. As you can see, the entire cornfield is harvested except for this little row right here. And we're almost full, but we should be able to get this row done. Had to dump the grain cart over there once, which is a good sign. It means a lot of corn. Not as much as I usually get whenever I plant everything as corn, but you know, still a decent amount. Corn's not really that much. It's not really that high. We got beans, which will be decently higher than corn, which we need. So, what we're going to do here is, go and finish up here, which is practically done here. And I'm calling it quits. I'm going to unload it here. And then I'm going to go hang up the header, put it up or put the shed there, and then go get the bean, switch everything over to beans, and then start beaning. And we'll start on the beans. We're going to start in those two fields and then work our way down to the home field. Just that whenever we get down there to that home field, it's easier because we can just throw everything practically in sheds right after we're done. So, yeah. We're going to start away and work our way towards. So we're going to take the harvester over first. And then the actual grain cart and stuff. Which means I'm probably going to do the same thing as I did last time, which was kind of cut through the field a little bit, because it kind of makes it a little bit easier. Meaning I'm just going to cut through right up here. Makes it so I don't have to go on the road as long. And we're good there. Oh, shoot, hit the tree. That's not going to be good. Don't think anything's broken though. Okay, now we can merge back on. As long as we get this thing in to the actual, well, I should say right beside that shed there, we should be good. Because then we can just fly right over there, hook up to the header and get moving. What shouldn't be too long? That field's not too big. I mean, the header's going to make it a little while. It's not too big of a header. So, that's going to be quite the risk, you know, with that. Because looking at the forecast, I was looking at it yesterday, and there's a lot of rain coming. Like, a lot of it. So that's not too good. Okay, there we go. I'm going to pretend I didn't just drop that out of thin air. Okay. Let me just quickly. Yeah. Looks like it's not going to stop raining until November 3rd. A lot of rain coming here this next couple of days, meaning it's going to be very wet outside here. Meaning we got to get this thing all harvested. I mean, it's definitely possible. Okay. We got everything switched over now. Just quick of a button and then it switches. Yep. Okay. So now we got soybeans going. So this, I'm gonna get you in. Yep. See ya. I'm gonna go and get this over here, put this in the bin, and then get this moved over there. I'll turn the beacon on, even though we're gonna cut through some fields. Same thing as we did with the combine there. But we're not going to hit a tree. We're not going to hit the tree. We are not going to hit that tree. Oh, shoot. Someone's coming. We're good. We don't have too big of a wide here. Load. The only thing that stretches out is, I should say, well, I mean, the cart, it's not that big. It barely fits in there. Okay, I'm just going to go right in front of that car. We have to flip it around. Then we have to go the other way to unload. So I'm just going to go past the farm here and then flip it around up there and then come back through the farm. There we go. I'm going to park her just like here. Turn off the beacon. Like this. And also, everybody here, let me know down below in the comments if you like longer videos like this, where it's the entire harvest here of what we're doing, or if you like more cut up, like doing more different parts that are shorter, like 20-minute videos, compared to doing like almost an hour video of just everything in one. Let me down below in the comments. That'd be well appreciated. looking good so far. It's not too big of a field, like I said. That up there, though, that's going to be quite the struggle with this small little thing. I could always get bigger, but that also would make it so that the combine is most likely eat up a little bit more fuel and put way more stress on it. It's going to be feeding a lot more grain, which is probably going to fill up the tank faster. / make it also slower. Depends on what I want. If I want to go speed, but not as big, which speed really doesn't matter because you can't even go that fast. So I'd say I'm going to leave it like this. This is pretty nice. Takes a little bit, but not everything can be fast. Only a couple more rows here to go in this little thing, and then we'll have that little small thing over there, and then we'll move on to the giant. Which I don't know if you guys will be able to see me do that. I most likely will do that off camera. Just so it's not too boring. If you're seeing combine going down and back, not too exciting. Looking good so far. Looking good. Fuel wise, perfect. Yeah, looking so far so good. Look here in the shop real quick. Not only just some cultivators here. We have a trailer here, but I don't think we really need this thing. 30 foot. Huh. Nor do we need a spreader either. We got no purpose for them. What else do we got? I could just come down here real quick and look. We could get some, maybe we could get some, we could. Water, all that stuff. We had trouble. Oh. An oil pump. You can always do an oil pump. That's way expensive. If you think about it, 9,600 a month, 80,000, meaning in like the entire year, not even. It's like 9-ish months. Would it be paid off? So you'd have to wait 9 months to even start remotely gaining money. Not worth it. You see something like this though, which is actually practically the same thing. It'd be almost, see it, 900, meaning add an extra 0 to everything, and it'd be 9,110. So you'd make a little bit more money than this, but you're paying also 30,000 more, so it's kind of a rip-off. Only a wind turbine. That's major rip-off. Same with the... what else? Nope, these sheds. Oh, they have solar panels on top. Ooh, that could always be an option, because it's like a 2-in-1 here. Get a shed to throw stuff in, which means I would actually be able to get rid of that shed, because it's practically one of those. It's 2 of those with making money every single month. That would be good. Or I can always get another one of these wind generators. That would, in 10 months, pay off. Okay, we're done here. This part. And we get to go to this part. Yay! Okay. Make sure we're lined up there. We are. Okay. We could always do that. Let me look down here real quick. We could always get... Here's a propane tank for that corn dryer. This is nice. Holy crap, it's big though. This is just old slurry. Now this, man. That's a little shed. I got that. That's honestly 10 million liters. Jeez. It's a lot of liters. Other than this is just... might as well get back here. Got a couple more passes. And then we'll be moving on to our home field here. We should be able to get her done by tonight. We have 76%. Oh, shoot. I accidentally hit B. We're good. Just lost a couple. But we have 76% there. That's what I was trying to tell you. I'll just... I was on the wrong thing. There we go. I'll finish this out real quick. Well, I'm going to just do this. We should be good. Just, I'd say 2 more. Maybe 1, but I think it's going to be 1 and then very tiny of a last strip to get us back. And I'm just going to throw it in the doubles. And then get this thing up there, have it get started, put someone in it, and move all my equipment and stuff up there. Yeah, I'll do that. No, yeah, definitely 1 and then a pretty small strip. It's literally only just like a couple, one or two of them there. Not even that many a year. That's gonna be great. Yeah, so once we combine all this entire field, then that'll be good. Because then I'll just see what's going for high. And then get it. And purchase it. Which just honestly could be like a cornfield, and the other two would be soybeans. Or all the soybeans, or just split it right down the middle into soybeans and corn and do half and half. Okay, time for this little last section, and then this side will be done. And then I gotta do that, and then we'll be done for harvest in October 2nd. Yesterday it was raining in the morning, I didn't want to push it, so, I had to wait until October 2nd. Now the next time it's going to be clear, it says it's November 3rd. Which we're only working in increments of 3 here. We're not doing the full 28 days. We're getting a lot of gravel now. Whew. Not too great right now to do this. No. But it works. I'd be doing it with the other side, personally. But you know what? The game says so. I gotta go move it, or else I'm gonna hit my tractor there. So I'm gonna move it to the other side, but personally I just go like this. There we go. I'm gonna just do a little 360 here. We have 90%, which means I think we'll be able to not top out the first one. Barely, though. I think. Or we might barely top it out. One of the above. One of the above. It's going to be close to topping it out. I think we will. Just looking at how fast it's going now. But never mind, we won't. Our grain was going even faster. Okay. I'm going to get this thing moved over to the other field real quick. Get someone on it. Move all the equipment. And I'll finish off the field on my own time. Because that will be extremely boring for me and you. At least for me. I don't know about you. You might like to see that. And if you do, and then might as well just go down there and type in the comments, say, I want to see everything. Because personally, this kind of gets a little bit boring going back and forth. I could start making designs, and that'd be pretty cool. Make big designs. Or a pattern. We'll do that eventually. But, for now, we're going to do this way. We were 83%. Okay. So I'm going to go and put this actually just on the lane there. And then put the other one away. Which I think we might switch tractors out because this one's a little bit underpowered for this. Yeah, I'm going to switch tractors out real quick. She's bogged down with that load. Just... Oh, we got detached hoses. This one has hoses, the other one doesn't. Oh. Let me just move it. I could make one massive thing, but once they all get mostly loaded down, this thing ain't pulling it either. And I'm not about to go get some big tractors to pull 3 grain carts that are loaded down. Okay, now we're going to use this as our grain tractor here. Or I have a very simple idea, and it's called sell all the grain carts here. Get a semi, get a trailer there, and boom, problem solved. But I've been talking about that, so it's kind of 50-50 right now. Been thinking about it. It'd help a lot. Instead of having to move these two and just keep switching around and doing all this stuff, and yeah. And those get filled up pretty fast compared to a trailer. I mean, this one doesn't get filled up too fast because it's massive. The other ones really aren't too big. I could go get two bigger ones, but you're looking at spending an extra couple thousand on just that. I'm not even going to attach the hoses. We're just going to cross the street there, and then I'm going to drop it and put this tractor away. But yeah, I think we definitely are going to need some sort of extra little source of money to get. Because whenever we ain't harvesting anything and we run out of grain to sell, we don't have too much money coming in, but we have a lot of money going out for expensive groceries, electricity bill, and all this other stuff. So I'm thinking about maybe selling that shed over there and getting that one with the solar panel. Because that kind of sounds like a pretty good deal. To me, at least. Can I get the truck and go and hook up to our little trailer down there? Which I don't know if we're going to need. We could have used it and topped off the combine, but I decided against it. You know, we're right here. If it runs out of fuel, well, we're right here. So I think it's halfway across the world. There we go. It's 1:44. We got the rest of that field to do, and then we're done. And park the trailer right there. Get the truck and park it right beside it. Just like that. And I think that's going to be it for you guys today. I'm going to finish this up, and then I'll be doing some stuff in the meantime. Make sure you leave your comments down on some ideas, you know, what that you would like to see. If you'd like to see longer videos of the entire harvest, or shorter of just like maybe doing half the field of corn or something, doing beans, you know, doing a variety of things, and split them up into multiple parts, or if I do them all in an hour-long video. Let me know down in the comments. Also, if you have any ideas or suggestions for what you want to see me doing differently, put them also down there in the comments, you know. Feel free to comment your suggestions, and I'll look and read them, and then add them if I think that they're good and I agree, or if there's something that I don't really think is necessary, then I probably won't. But you know, I'm most likely to add most of them or do most of them or stuff, so make sure you're doing that. But see you guys in the next one. Peace.